make one half DC in the every stitch of this round. And here you join it with a slip stitch. Then you repeat the same stitch, 2 chain, and go to the next stitch with half DC and make 1 half DC in the every single stitch. And you repeat the same stitch at least 5 to 6 row. I have completed my 7 rows of the half DC, and then I am joining the white color yarn in any stitch of the previous round. You join it with slip stitch and make one more chain, counter J, 2 chain, counter J, first half DC, and make 1 half DC in the every stitch. You repeat 1 half DC in the every stitch of this round, and you make the 2 more lines of the. I have completed my 3 rows of the half DC in white color yarn, and then I am attaching the black color yarn in any stitch of the previous round. Join it with slip stitch and make one more chain, counter J, first half DC, and make 1 half DC in the every stitch of this round. I am making one more rows of the half DC stitch in the black color yarn. When it will finish, then you cut your extra yarn. You repeat the half DC stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have finished my 2 row of the half DC stitch in using the black color yarn, and then I am making the Mickey Mouse ear. This is the ear of the Mickey Mouse. For this pattern, first you take your hook and black color yarn and make 3 chain. One, two, and three chain, and go to the third chain from your hook and make one half double crochet. Make total 10 double crochet in this circle or in this stitch. I have completed my 10 half DC in the same stitch, and then you join it with the very beginning chain with slip stitch, and then you cut your yarn, extra yarn, and you make the same circle one more piece. You make one more, then you take your craft needle and this is the front side of the stocking. You go to the very first stitch here, and you go to the back side and you sew it. Then you go to the other this is the other corner, and take your another circle and you attach it with craft needle. I have completed my Mickey Mouse ear portion, and then last is the Mickey's eye. For eye, I am using the orange color yarn. You make the small circle for eyes and you attach it with your craft needle. You take some orange color yarn and make slip knot and make only 2 chain, and then you go to the very first stitch and make one and make 9 more single crochet in the same stitch. And join it with the slip stitch. This is the very first stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch, and this is the Mickey's eyes, and you make one more circle the same size. You attach these eyes in the front side of the your stocking. You take your craft needle and you attach it with craft needle, and you attach two eyes in the front side.